Hey everyone, Mark here. If you scrub through my YouTube videos, you'll see that I've been talking about Lorex cameras and security systems for many years now. In fact, probably over a decade. Like this video here, I remember shooting this at my old house. Lots of great memories talking about their cameras and other solutions. So I've been a huge fan and user of their products for several years, and the company just turned 30, so congrats to them. But today, this video, we're going to take a look at the new Smart Home Security Center. This is at the heart of the ecosystem of the Lorex smart home devices, which includes cameras and a lot of other gear, which I'm going to talk about here in this video as a high-level overview of what they offer. All right, so there are a few different smart home security system bundles available, but they do come with wire-free cameras out of the box, and you can add several other products if you want over time. So it's a versatile and expandable system for your home, and all without monthly fees. So what do I mean by that? Well, you may know that with other security systems and outdoor cameras and video doorbells, it requires a monthly subscription for you to go back in time and see video from perhaps a few minutes ago, a few hours ago, or a couple of days or weeks ago. Yes, you don't have to pay with other products if you want to just chat live with someone at your doorstep like a courier. That's all done in real time, but if you want to go back, you have to pay. But not with the Lorex products, which I like because of its expandable storage. All right, so here's what it looks like. As I mentioned, there are a few different bundles, but one of the more popular ones is the Smart Home Security Center that includes two wire-free 2K cameras, a wireless network video recorder, or NVR, with a 7-inch LCD screen to place somewhere in your home, like maybe on a kitchen counter, and it joins your Wi-Fi network for connectivity. Homeowners then have the capability to observe and control all Lorex cameras and connected devices from the home center, and you can stay connected through notifications from the Lorex Home app, even when outside of the home. Plus, this is compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, so you can always use your voice, hands-free, when inside your home. Plus, there's a range extender, an option to add more indoor and outdoor cameras with no wires to run. So setup can be completed in minutes. There's also the option to add video doorbells and floodlights and up to 32 sensors as well, so more on that in a moment. All right, back to the touchscreen. You can connect up to 8 cameras and see 4 of them on the screen at any one time. Other features include an optional facial unlock feature, or you can use the privacy mode. There's a built-in camera cover and microphone mute switch for additional privacy. There's local storage, which includes a 64 gig micro SD card, which can be expanded up to a 256 gig micro SD card, or up to a 1 terabyte SSD, or solid state drive, if you like. Okay, onto the wire-free cameras that you get in the box. As I mentioned, they offer 2K resolution, or twice that of 1080p HD, and with a 140-degree field of view, so you can see more of what's happening. They're IP65 rated as weather resistant for indoor and outdoor use, including two-way talk thanks to its built-in microphone and speaker. So you can talk with, say, a courier arriving at your door, and it also has a long-lasting rechargeable and removable battery. Plus, they're compatible with solar panels if you like. There's also a 2K wired video doorbell that's part of this ecosystem, which has person detection, high dynamic range, or HDR, for better quality video. There's two-way talk, app support. It works with Google, Alexa, and Apple, and you've got the ability to pre-record a welcome message when someone rings the doorbell. In fact, it starts recording video even before they press the button. And if you want some serious light to illuminate a front porch, a backyard, a garage, or a driveway at night, there's also the Lorex 1080p Wi-Fi floodlight camera, which again is compatible with Lorex Smart Home Security Center. Combining security and lighting, the dual LED lights can produce a total of 4,000 lumens, which also serves as a deterrent for any unwanted visitors detected on your property. Other features include a remotely triggered siren, two-way audio, a 137-degree field of view, and infrared night vision. Like the other Lorex solutions here, local storage also means no monthly fees and total privacy. This floodlight camera is installed using your existing light fixture wiring, so it stays powered 24/7 without ever having to recharge the batteries. The physical camera can also be adjusted vertically or horizontally depending on your home setup. And finally, for inside your home, there's the Lorex 2K pan-tilt indoor Wi-Fi security camera. I have the 1080p model here, but there is a newer one with 2K, or twice the resolution, but the idea is the same. These are compact and lightweight cameras with a pan and tilt feature, which means you can view an entire room with just one camera, while the privacy mode ensures that the camera lens is hidden when not in use. There's person detection, two-way talk, local storage, support for Google Assistant and Alexa, and no monthly fees. Now, this isn't all the products that work with the Lorex Smart Home Security Center, but a high-level look at some of the top ones. But again, it's a modular system. You can buy different ones over time to match your needs and budget. You can check them out at lorex.com, or in Canada, lorex.ca, or check them out at your local big box store. If you like this video, please click like, comment, you can share it with a friend, and be sure to subscribe. I'm Marc Saltzman. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.